My dash lights aren't working. What do I do? In my hand, I'm holding the dash light potentiometer for a Mercedes 123 series. And very often, I know that many of you have contacted me in the past, dim dash lights, no dash lights, what do I do? Well, the solution to the problem starts here. This is the rheostat or potentiometer that screws to the back of the instrument cluster. So to get your instrument cluster out and get access to this thing, you simply remove your lower dash panel, 3 Phillips screws, 2 90-degree gray screws, drop the dash panel, push your hand up behind the cluster and push it out forward so you don't break the face of it off. You can access this with a single screw and it unplugs. This design is very similar for all Mercedes, but only the 123 and 126 and 115, 114 cars have one that's really easy to get to. There are 2 ways to fix this. If you have one that's relatively intact, there's a little metal spring in here that you can clean off. And if you clean it off with phosphoric acid or a similar solvent, it will restore the contact across the range. If you have one where the spring is busted from corrosion, which is pretty easy to see, you can actually solder or jam a wire between these 2 electrical bridges so your dash lights will be on all the time. This simply screws to the back of the grid. On 107 cars, it solders in place. On 124 series cars, they're not as easy to bridge, so you may just have to buy a new one for $52. Thankfully, these potentiometers are generally available with the exception of the one for the 126, which should be available again soon. Anyway, this is a quick tech tip, and if your dash lights are still dim, change the bulbs. Very often old bulbs are a big problem because they lose their ability to glow over 25 years. And a lot of 126s I've seen are driving around with old dash light bulbs in them. And they're about 15 to 20% dimmer than they should be. Another thing that can go wrong is that the reflectors inside the instrument cluster housing can get faded and distorted, and that can cause diminished lighting as well. So if you found this useful, please subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and like and share, especially if you know somebody who has a Mercedes and can't see their dash lights at night. And in the meantime, enjoy driving and maintaining your Mercedes Benz. Thanks.